All right, so we have this tempered glass screen protector that we're going to install on our Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So inside the box, you're going to get your instructions. You're going to get some wet wipes as well as a dry wipe to use to clean the screen of your tablet. You're going to get some dust absorbers, and you're also going to get these two suction cup devices to help you with the installation process. And then you're getting a total of 2 screen protectors. So if you mess up on the first one, you do have a second one. So first, what you want to do is grab one of the wet wipes and clean the screen. And then after that, we're going to come behind it with the dry wipe and dry the screen, and then the dust absorber to remove any leftover lint or debris. So then what you want to do is grab your 2 suction cups, and we're going to put one of these on each side of the screen protector on the back, and we're going to try and position them about halfway up the screen on each side. All right, so as you can see, we got the suction cups on there nice and secure. So we'll get the tablet back in place, and then we'll peel off the back of the screen protector and use these suction cups to lower it right into place on the tablet. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and remove the plastic film from the screen protector. And then again, we're going to use the suction cups to lower it down into place, Mission Impossible style. And make sure you have the cutout for your selfie cameras facing the right way. And as you can see, the screen protector is starting to adhere to the screen of the tablet. So at this point, it really helps to go ahead and remove the suction cups to go ahead and try and get the rest of the air bubbles out. So what you want to do is kind of, wherever you see the air bubbles, you want to grab the corner of the screen protector and lift it up and then lay it back down so that it can go ahead and adhere itself again to the screen. So that should eliminate your air bubbles. So as you guys can see, I was able to get those air bubbles out. I think I have just a few like really small ones, but I think over the next hour or so, those will probably go ahead and go away on their own. But for the most part, everything looks good, and we have our large 14.6 inch display, nice and protected with that tempered glass protector.